Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, in your 8th standard, a new chapter is linear equation one variable chapter. You will learn about in your previous class, find out the x value, find out the y value by the transposition method or add and subtraction rule. This is like you find out the some value in your linear equations and also some examples on applications. Application examples. The first one is what should be added to twice the rational numbers minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7. The some example is solution. Therefore, the question is what should be added? What should be added to the twice of the rational number minus 7 by 3? We get the answer is 3 by 7. Therefore, solution. The first condition, what should be added? We don't know. Which number we don't know? We can consider x should be added. X number should be added to the twice. Twice means 2. Twice of the rational number minus 7 by 3 is equal to get the answer is 3 by 7 is the. Next you can simplification this one. First meaning is very important. You can read the statement, you can write the mathematical equations. First of all, read the statement, you can write the equations. Therefore, x plus, next simplification these two is 2 into minus 7 is plus into minus, this is minus. Next 2 sevens are 40 divided by 3 as it is equal to 3 by 7. Next we want x number. Which number? What should be added? Therefore x is equal to 3 by 7 as it is. This minus and this side is plus. Therefore 14 by 3 is the. Therefore x value is equal to 1 denominator is 7 is there, 1 denominator is 3 is there. You can take LCM of the denominator. 7 3s are 21. Therefore 7 3s are 3 7s are 3 3s are 9 plus 14 7s are 7 4s are 28 carry 2 7 7 plus 2 is 9 is the next. Therefore x is equal to these two addition in the numerator 98 plus 9. Therefore 107 divided by 21. Therefore x value is 107 divided by 21. Therefore our condition is 107 by 21 should be added. Should be added to twice of rational number 3 by minus 7 by 3 to get 3 by 7. This is our answer. 107 over 21 should be added to the given twice of the minus 7 by 3. We get the 3 by 7 is the. Got it? Next, second one example. Second one is the perimeter of rectangle is 13 centimeter and its width is 2 integer 3 by 4 centimeter is the. Find the length. Find its length. Therefore, the solution is very easy is the. Therefore, the perimeter of rectangle is given. That is 13 centimeter is the. You can find out the length and also width is given. First part in this question write the rectangle formula. Perimeter of rectangle formula. Therefore, perimeter of rectangle formula. Rectangle is equal to what is the formula of rectangle? Therefore, 2 into bracket of length plus breadth or width. This is our perimeter of rectangle formula. Next, in this formula, you can substitute the values. Perimeter of rectangle is given, that is 13 centimeter. or 13 is equal to next 2 into bracket of length is don't know length plus width is given 2 into the 3 by 4 centimeter is there. The next simplification you can take no problem. Next 13 centimeter is equal to next 2 into length means 2 into length plus next you can take 2 into these two multiplication. This mixed fraction is that you can convert it into improper fractions. 4 to the 8. 8 plus 3 is 11 by 4 is the 4 centimeter. The next simplification 13 centimeter is equal to 2 into length therefore plus this one cancellation is the 2 ones are 2 twos are 11 by 2 centimeter is there. Again you can take 11 by 2 in this side therefore 13 centimeter minus 11 centimeter divided by 2 is equal to 2 into length. 2 into length. The next LCM of these two is therefore LCM is 13 are 26 centimeter minus 11 centimeter divided by 2 is equal to 2 into length. The next one simplification 26 minus 11 is therefore 15 divided by 2 into 2 centimeter is equal to length is there. Therefore 26 minus 11 is 15 centimeter divided by 2 is equal to 2 into length. Therefore our length is equal to you can take 2 in this side 15 divided by 2 into 2 centimeter. Therefore length is equal to 15 divided by 4 centimeter. Our length is 15 divided by 4 centimeter or otherwise length is equal to you can take mixed fractions 4 3s are 12 again 3 is the 3 integer 3 by 4 centimeter is the this is our length. The next third one is the present age of Sahil. Mother is 3 times of present age of Sahil. After 5 years their age will be added to the 66 years. Find their present age. Solution. Once again check your statement. The present age of Sahil. We don't know. Present age of Sahil has mother is 3 times of has present age of Sahil. Therefore consider Sahil present age. Present age we don't know. Present age we don't know. Consider x. The next therefore Sahil mother present age. Present age is equal to Sahil mother their 3 times of present age of the Sahil. That is 3 times means 3 into x that is 3x. These two are present age of Sahil and Sahil mother. The next after 5 years their age will be added. Therefore after 5 years Sahil age equal to x plus 5. After 5 means x plus 5. Next mother age present of 3x. After 5 means you can addition of 5. Therefore after 5 years Sahil age is x plus 5 as mother age is 3x plus 5. Therefore after 5 years these two persons added to age. Added. The first one is Sahil plus mother is equal to how much here? 66 is there. After 5 years the total of these two persons age is 66 is there. Therefore Sahil age in after 5 years x plus 5 plus mother 3x plus 5 is the is equal to 66. The next simplification. 1x is the 3x is the x plus 3x means 4x plus constant term 5 plus 5 is 10 is the is equal to 66. Therefore 4x is equal to 66 minus 10 is the next 4x is equal to 66 minus 10 is what? 56 is the next cancellation. 4 ones are 4 fours are. Therefore x value is 14. X value is 14 is the we want present age of Sahil and mother. Therefore present age of Sahil is equal to only x is equal to how much value? Therefore 14 year. Next mother. Present age of has mother. Mother is equal to present age means mother is 3x is the 3 into x. 3 into x, that is 3x value is 14 is the therefore 14 3s are 3 4s are 12. 42 year is the 42 year. Therefore present age of Sahil is 14 year. Present age of mother is 42 years. Got it? Next one, the fourth one example. Okay, the last fourth one is this one here. 3 times Bansi has 3 times has many 2 rupees coins. He has 5 rupees coins. If he has in the all sum of the rupees 77, how many coins of each denomination will have? Question is very easy. First of all, you can consider how many coins are here. Therefore, coins consider. This is statement is that you can convert it to statement to your mathematical equations. First of all, you can consider coins. Coins is equal to x. Coins is equal to consider the x. Next 2 rupees coins. 2 rupees coin is equal to 2x. Next 5 rupees coin. 5 rupees coin or coins is equal to 5x. Therefore, consider coins is x. 2 rupees coin is 2x. 5 rupees coin is 5x. But you can read the statement. 3 times of 2 rupees coins. Therefore, our statement is 3 times. 3 times of 2 rupees coin. 2x is equal to 5x. The next 5 rupees coin. 5 rupees coin is equal to what? That is only 5 rupees. 5x is equal to 5x. But this one is 3 2s are 6 is the 6x and 5x. Therefore, coins are if he has in all sum the total sum. Therefore, total sum is what? Sum is equal to. Therefore, pass on 2 rupees coin 6x plus 5 rupees coin 5x is equal to 77 is the 77. Therefore, 6 plus 5 is 11x is equal to 77. Therefore, x is equal to 77 divided by 11 is the. Therefore, x value is 11 ones are 11 sevens are. Therefore, x value is 7 is the. The question is how many coins of each denomination. For example, 2 rupees coins are how many 2 rupees coins are here? 2 rupees coin. 2 rupees coins are is equal to 2 rupees means 3 times, that is 6x is equal to 6 into x value is 7 is the. Therefore 6 sevens are 42. The next 5 rupees coin. 5 rupees coins is equal to 5 rupees coin is equal to 5x is equal to 5 into 7, 35 coins. 35 coins. Therefore, 2 rupees coins, we don't know. 2 rupees coins, 42 is this is amount. 2 rupees means divided by 2. Divided by 2 is what? 21 coins. 21 coins. Next, 5 rupees coins. The 5 rupees total amount is 35 is there. Therefore, divided by 5. Therefore, 5 is equal to only 7 coins. 7 coins. Therefore, 2 rupees coins are 21. 5 rupees coins are 7 is there. Therefore, this is your fourth example. The next fifth one is the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 11 is 363 is there. Find these multiples. Therefore, consecutive multiples, 3 consecutive multiples are serials. For example, consider the first one. The first one consecutive numbers are. First one is considered x. Therefore, x. The next one is x plus 11. The next one is x plus 22. These 3 are three consecutive multiples of 11 is there. Therefore, the sum of these two. The statement is the sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 11 is equal to the sum x plus second one x plus 11 plus x plus 22 is equal to these 3 sums is what? 363. The next simplification is what? The simplification, how many times of x is there? 3 times of x, that is 3x plus 11 plus 22 is 33 is equal to 363. The next, therefore, 3x is equal to 363 minus 33. The next one is, therefore, 3x is equal to 363 minus 33 means what? 330 only. Therefore, x is equal to 330 divided by 3 is the, therefore, our x value is 3 ones are 3, 11 are 10, 110 is the x value is 110. The question is find these multiples. Find these multiples. First multiple is x, second one is x plus 11, third one is x plus 22. Therefore, the first number is x is equal to 110. Next, second one is x plus 11 is there. X plus 11 is equal to 110 plus 11 is equal to 121. What about second one? Second one is x plus 22 is equal to 110 plus 22 is equal to 132. Therefore, these multiples are multiples of x plus 11, x plus 22 is equal to 110, 121, 132 is the. These all are 3 multiples. Okay. The next one. Therefore, the last one is the difference between two whole numbers is 66 is the ratio of these two numbers is 2:5 is the solution. The ratio between two numbers, ratio is equal to 2:5 is the. You can consider how much is the amount. We don't know. Take the ratio 2x ratio 5x. The difference between these two whole number, difference is 66 is the. Therefore, these two ratio difference is equal to difference 5x minus 2x is the. Therefore, these two difference is 5x minus 2x is equal to 66 is the. Therefore, 5x minus 2x is only 3x is equal to 66. Therefore, x is equal to 66 divided by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 22. X is equal to 22 is the. Our question is, what are the two numbers? What are the two numbers? First number is what? 2x. First one 2x is the. 2 into x means what? 22 is the. Therefore, first number is 44. The second number, second one is, which one is second? 5x is the 5x. X value is 22. 5 into 22 is equal to 5 to the 10. 5 to the 10. 11 is the 100. 10 is the. This is your second number. Got it? Dear students, you learn about more example in your homework. I shall continue your next class.